Hey, welcome guys. If you're on this page, then chances are pretty good you're an insurance agent and you are looking to aggressively grow your business. And you're either doing direct mail or you've done direct mail in the past and you simply aren't getting the same results that you were getting once before. And you're looking for a more cost-effective way to drive quality, targeted leads into your agency. I'm going to be brief with this presentation. But I just want to show you a couple of things. Listen, I've worked with thousands of insurance agents all over the country, and I can tell you when I talk with folks about what they're doing for marketing and lead generation, what's working and what's not working. If anything is working, the most common is direct mail, believe it or not. Direct mail is one of the more effective ways that top agents I talk to are getting leads. The problem that they're having is that it's getting very expensive. The return is diminishing because of the advances in technology, mobile marketing, and digital marketing. We're not seeing the same return we once were. So agents are looking for a more cost-effective way. But I will tell you, direct mail traditionally has been a great way to generate leads. It just takes a lot of time to build up that campaign, and you got to do it at volume, and you have to be consistent with it. So if you're sending several thousand a month on a consistent basis, give it 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and you will see pretty predictable results with that. However, it is expensive and time consuming. So we're going to be able to give you an instantaneous response, instant results. All right. Let's look at direct mail, right? The response rates have gone down. It's very expensive, usually costing somewhere between 65 cents and $1 per piece, depending on design, print, delivery, and your response rates are getting lower and they're slowing down. Conversion rates are usually between 0.5% to 2%, making it very difficult to see a return on investment. And direct mail can be pretty tough to measure unless you have call tracking and some of the other pieces in place. It can be hard to know where your calls are coming from. Targeting is also difficult. Most mailing list providers are limited in the scope of data that they give you. They're not giving you phone numbers. You're not getting emails, so you can't follow up with the leads. You simply have to wait for them to call in. And oftentimes the data points that you're able to target are very limited as well. Mailing lists are traditionally very basic. It's purely an inbound strategy, waiting on people to call you when you don't have phone numbers and emails with your list. Let's look at 1,000 pieces of mail, right? That's one impression for 1,000 pieces of mail. One impression each is 1,000 impressions, right? 65 cents to $1 a piece. That's going to range 650 to $1,000 right? You do that month in and month out, you're $650 to $1,000 a month, right? And that's including your design, print, postage. You're typically going to see somewhere between 5 and 10 responses out of that. Right? You'd have to close 20% to get a single sale. And at a 20% close rate, you're still looking at $65 cost per lead, best case scenario, and $200 cost per lead, worst case scenario, if you get a lead at all. But your average is going to be about $100 a lead. Now, I want you to consider the insurance lead you need. Like, what if you could get in-depth targeting filters with your list, including income levels, credit status, marital status, job titles, industries, phone numbers, emails. We've got over 1,800 different data points and 150 filters that can be used to get you the exact type of customer that you're looking for. And we're not dealing in age leads here. We are dealing with targeted consumer lists that are scrubbed, validated, and verified, not recycled aged internet leads. These are not people who have been called by 150 different agents. And everything that we do, and we worked out a deal with our data partners that every lead that we sell is exclusive. So long as you're using our system, your leads are 100% exclusive. Nobody will ever have access to that again. Right? Now, when you're no longer using our system, the lead becomes active again for resale when you're buying the lead list like that, right? But you're going to get to market. What if you could get your marketing piece in the entire list instantly, to the entire list instantly? You didn't have to wait for design. You didn't have to wait for printing. You didn't have to wait for the mail to go out. And what if you could get instant results to and know who checked their mail? What if you could see who actually got the piece of mail? And what if you could see who opened that piece of mail? What if you could see who trashed the mail? Who didn't want it? Who talked to their spouse about it? Who put it on the fridge for later? Like, what if you had that insight? How valuable would that be? Well, that's exactly what we're able to give you at the Insurance Lead Genie. We're able to show you exactly who gets the mail. We show you exactly when they open the mail. And we've got instant reporting and instant notification so you know exactly who does it and when they do it. What if you could get an instant response? You're able to get instant responses from customers. What if you could send 5,000 to 10,000 pieces for less than the cost of 1,000 of traditional mail? At $1,000 a month, you're talking about sending one piece of mail to one person once a month. With our system, you can send 2 to 3 pieces a week for less than the cost of one. What if you could automate the design, the delivery, and the response rates? With the Insurance Lead Genie, we build out the entire system. We've got automated workflows. We have automated follow-ups. You get a website with our system. You take the lead list and you put it into our system, and we begin a custom-built campaign that never stops. Our system is evergreen, so we will market to that person until you sell them or until they unsubscribe. One of those two conditions. And our unsubscribe rate is lower than 1%, lowest in the industry. Custom built for P&C, auto, home, life, business. We've got business insurance for or business owners for life insurance. We've got employee benefits. We've got commercial insurance, custom built. All of it's done turnkey hosted. You have to learn nothing. The whole system is built, maintained, and managed by a team of marketing experts, and you'll have a dedicated account rep and manager that will work with you to make sure that you are getting the optimal results out of the system. You're going to be able to see real-time metrics. You're going to know exactly who opens it when, and we even automate the responses. What if you could send a piece of mail and you could know who opened it, when they opened it, and you could send them a text message the moment they open the envelope? That's exactly what you're able to do with the Insurance Lead Genie. So what I want to offer you guys, I've never done this before. It's going to be a limited offer. If you're seeing this video, then there's still time. But I'm only going to take a handful of agents, and we're going to do a trial for $199. A 1-week trial for $199. And here's what you're going to get for that. You buy the leads, which is 19 cents a piece. Choose your own targeting. Exclusive leads, 19 cents a piece. You're going to get all of the information: name, email, phone number, address, mobile phone, cars, VIN numbers, home values, credit ratings, all of that. You get all of it. Wholesale price, 19 cents a piece. So you can still use it for your mailing. We're going to let you use our system for free. You buy the leads, you use our system for free. Because I know you're going to like the results. I know that you're going to see enough business come from this trial that not only will you pay for the trial and get the leads for free, but you'll pay for the first full month of Lead Genie. The Lead Genie system starts at $369 a month. You're going to get this trial for $199. We're going to get this trial for free when you buy the leads for $199. You get the week free. You get to use the system for free for a week. All of the instant results, custom built campaign, targeted responses, real-time reporting, real-time notifications, real-time follow-ups to the leads. And if you decide you want to keep the system, which I know you will, we're going to apply the credit toward your first month. So now you're going to get the 1,000 leads for free, plus the free trial, and we're going to apply that to your first month. Now, again, I'm not going to offer this for long. We're only going to offer this to a handful of agents. We're only going to let one agent per market at a time. So if your market is already being taken, you'll have to be on a waiting list. So click the button here, register for your trial. It's going to take 2 to 3 business days to get everything built and set up for you. We're going to get your leads. We're going to get your targeting. You'll get set up within 2 to 3 business days, and we're going to start your campaign. We're going to let you run for a week, and then you get the results, work the leads. You'll have a full export of the leads as well. These are your leads. You're buying the leads. They're yours. And then we'll take them out of the system if you decide you don't want to use it. If you decide you want to keep it, then we'll unlock the rest of the system and we'll continue to market to those folks and continue to drive leads for you. Click the button and register right now. This is going to be a limited time deal.